No, I'm almost done with this for today, or for this session anyways. I had one more question to ask the organic chick. Okay, what, you know, this looks actually 100% better than it did before.
What was that, about an hour ago?
Well, I mean, yesterday, last night, I'm referring to last night. Even the first thing this morning, it seemed a little bit more suspect than it does now. This is looking really good. Now, what would happen if it didn't look like this? Let's say there was a lot of redness over here. What would your concerns be at that point?
I would just say go see your family doctor, care now unit place, some place where they can look at it to make sure it's going to be okay. Well, they would more than likely give you a tetanus shot.
Yeah.
But I'm not even sure what's in the tetanus shots anymore, so I would personally never have one. That's a choice I'm making, to never have another injection of any kind.
Yeah.
But if I can't do it myself, then I'll just go happily into the night.
So if this was all inflamed over on the side, you also were saying something about if you see a redness. What were you talking about, like a line?
Well, that would be blood poisoning. I'm thinking, since I'm not a doctor, I can't say, I'm not a nurse.
Okay.
I just saw it on the movie, you know, the red line moving up your leg.
A red line
or your
coming
arm,
up.
which would be indicative of maybe blood poisoning. So, which is what that could have caused if we didn't catch it in time.
Anything that doesn't look fairly normal. Now my hand looks
looks
pretty normal.
better, yeah.
Now there's still some redness, and that's because I've been going to hot, cold. Plus it's still inflamed to a certain extent because of the blunt force trauma when I hit that the other day, right?
Yeah.
And it's still puffy, but that's to be expected no matter what.
That's just the trauma of it
So
all.
I'm thinking I'm on the road to recovery. I'm still going to be ginger about it today and kind of baby it to a certain extent. I've got to hold the paint roller and stuff, but I think I can grab it hard enough to do the work that I'm supposed to do for you. Don't worry. I'll get her done for you. Okay? All right. Well, thanks a lot. That's it from here. I'm pretty much done with this. I've got this cold on here again. I've done this a few times now. Now, should I put this back in the warm water?
No, I learned that you should always end the session with a cold pack.
So hot, cold,
No,
cold, or warm, cold, finish with the cold.
No, you always start with cold and end with cold.
Oh, start with cold.
Yes, and end with cold. But we just started with the hot because your hand looks really iffy.
Okay.
So I wanted to try to get that swelling.
Okay, and
down.
why do you end with cold? Because it closes up the pores?
It closes the pores, and it's just it just makes it feel better.
Okay. All right. Good to know. Thank you very much
That's
again
per my chiropractor
for helping me out. Okay, I'm pretty much done with this organic chick. What do we do with this now? Would you just dump this out, or what?
Well, we're going to save it so you can have another session of cold, hot, cold, hot.
Oh, you're going to save this for later, but then it's going to be cold. So what? You're just going to dump some hot water?
Add some more
too?
hot filtered water.
Okay, so we can keep using this throughout the day.
Yes.
How many more times do you want me to do this today?
Well, I would just do it just for one day, and then tomorrow get fresh.
But today, how many more sessions? Like
just probably another session.
At least one more.
Cold, yeah, cold, hot.
Okay. And then when you get all done, can you pour this down the drain? Because it's clay, but it's in the water form. Would that be okay?
You
or no?
pour it outside. You pour it back onto the earth. You never want to throw any of Earth's properties away. You want to give it back to the earth because the earth gave to you.
Okay.
And that's important. Don't just throw things away.
All right. Thanks
Down
for
the
the
drain.
tips. Organic check.
Okay.
Okay.